Power target trades. Power trigger trade.
Alright people, I got a power video on how we make greater than 300% gains in options in BA, and it all stems from this plan, and I wanted to show you this. So here it is, December the 30th on my Power Trigger Trade Twitter, okay? This is where you can find. Now I posted this on here, and I also posted stocks like MA and Amazon as key stocks to make great money in January based on because we had a great signal in the SPY. And again, this is the importance of big picture thinking. And you can see I explained some facts, but let's go into this chart here. Let me show you here. Let's talk about this here. Let me get rid of this here. Okay. So here you see I have targets. So I say BA is set up to test 360 to 370. The January 18 340 calls are great to use. So a lot of the way my strategies are is we have targets. I select the proper options that can get to our targets in time. And of course I'm a big picture leader, so I have high skills and I make these plans. So many plans documented on my YouTube channel. We'll get to it. But as you can see here are the options, and this is the cost. They cost at the time, because this is based on the 28th of December close, okay? The market was closed when I posted the plan, and that was the last close on December the 28th, okay? You can look at your charts, right? And the cost at the time, and this is all documented, as you can see, I took a snapshot of this when I posted the plan. The costs were $360. You can see that it's highlighted, right? I'm showing that, right? Plus, I explain how I made so many winning plans in BA. It's not funny, and so on and so forth. You can read that if you want to go to the charts to read that. Here I said BA needs to. I will explain the confirmation side of Power Group Trades. So we're going to go inside of Power Group Trades because basically I was telling people if you want to know what's going on, you want me to show you the management how I do this. Get yourself inside of Power Group Trades, and I demonstrated this. So this is why I used BA, MasterCard, Amazon, even Tesla has been a winning plan that we've had. We focused on the best, and I explained that. And again, your mindset had to be very different going into January than it was in December. The market's changed. This is why we adapt. We need to always take in new information. I explained this. It's a very powerful video, so pay attention, people. Pay attention. All right now. So let me bring you up here. We're going to go into Power Group Trades here. And here it is on December the 30th. So BA, same thing. So I'm talking about that there was a great close in the SPY. And so here I'm going to post, this is the confirmations. It's the same plan, except here's what we're looking for. So I said BA needs to break above 322 to confirm. Okay, and here you see the chart. Same thing, except this is the chart, the confirmation I posted inside of Power Group Trades. All right, people. And of course, I'm the big picture leader explaining the big picture and where BA is going. And of course, today, January the 10th, we close at 350. We're going to look at the outcome. I want to show you the outcome as well of 300% gains. But let me show you the confirmation. So here it is, December 31st. Right over here. BA confirming with the January 18 at 340 calls at $430. Now on January the 9th, I reiterated to hold BA, right? And also today, and I want to show you that right now. Give me a second here. I don't want to go into all the specifics. I was really focused on BA. It's in my live streams and everything. But here it is, January 9th. BA, keep holding the January 18 340 calls with some runners. This is a long. What I mean, this is stay long. As long as it remains above 337 from here. Big picture, we can test 360 to 370 for some great gains. So I'm reiterating the plan. Strong focus. I love the gains in BA, people. Anyways, people, we already at January 9th it was greater than 100% gains, right? And then of course you can see I'm going to scroll up here. We're going to go into you see January the 9th. We're going to go, here's 18 hours. That was the live stream. Okay, you can see the live stream. I'll show you what I'm talking about. And then there's a Tesla plan that I posted, but another one. But here it is. See, BA support is 340. As long as we stay above that or show bounce power, this is a strong uptrend strongly intact, even as the market has been very choppy. So let me show you what I mean by in the charts, but I want you to see that 7 hours, right? So 7 hours is today, January the 10th, because I'm making this 7 hours after the market, after I posted that, and the market is closed right now. So let's take a look at the, let's go into BA, let's go into the charts over here. And here are the 340 calls, and they closed at $1,500. So that's greater than 300% gain. So right over here, greater than 300% gains. And here, of course, is the date here, right? So everything is very well documented and laid out from start to confirmation to the end result. Never seen before in the history of the market. There's no YouTube channel or anybody who preaches how to make money and teaches how to make money in options. Do it as well and document it and with heart, like I'm doing. This is a very, every plan is, there's a lot of thought and a lot of conviction behind it, right? And we have to adapt. Things change. It's not always, but what I'm saying is we were mentally prepared. I keep talking about the importance of mentally prepared and adapting to the market. Anyways, so here you can see, here I want to go to the 10-minute chart. I want to show you, so there it is again, $1,500 an option. So I want to go to the 10-minute chart, and I want to show you something here. So I'm going to move this over here now, and here's the 10th, right? And you can see here we opened at 346, and we were, market was was weak, but we opened up strong. They pulled it back. And you notice I said about 340, right? And there's the low, 343. So you notice BA, and we showed bounce power. You notice the words I used, right? And boom. So people inside of Power Group Trades all witness this, right? They know because they get the updates and everything. And you can see that in the charts. People, you have to have vision. You have to understand what direction, and this is what a lot of traders can't do. Over 90% will not catch the gains when they're supposed to. This was an easy hold, BA, very easy to hold, BA. And if you didn't catch the gains, you have deep problems to sort out, and you do need the help of a big picture leader. Everybody does, really, right? But you gotta be very methodical and detailed. And my YouTube channel and my channel and being in my group will help you immensely if you're serious about making money. Alright people, welcome to Power Trick Trade Confirmation is Key. You want to study this pin tweet video. It explains how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. It's free. But you want to be serious about making money. I don't accept anybody in there. And the video explains how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. So let's go to my YouTube channel over here. And if you click this link, it'll bring you to the YouTube channel. I already have it open here. And basically what you want to do is you want to see, this is a live stream January the 9th. You should listen to my live stream. I'm going to try to link it in the video. But I talked about BA, and we were in BA, and so on and so forth. I mean, it's just... And today, the SPY, if I show you the SPY, so anyways, but basically, people, you want to study this created playlist. You want to subscribe to my website as well. But subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay? If you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe here manually. And at the end of the video, you're going to see a picture of me right here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. What I want to show you, though, quickly is about the SPY here. So I'm going to type in, I'm going to change this back to the daily here, and I'm going to type in and close this over here. And I'm going to go to the SPY. I'm going to type in the SPY, okay? And I want to show you the 10-minute chart on the SPY. And you can see that the SPY was weak today, and it opened up down, right? Because here's the, if we go to the daily close, we opened up, we had closed on the 9th. We had closed at 257, and we opened. So BA did very well regardless of market weakness, right? But it pulled back, but it pulled up, but it pulled back, but then the market showed power, right? And then it chopped all day, down, up, down, whatever, and so on and so forth. Anyways, people, you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, get one, subscribe here manually. If you click on this link, it brings you to my website, and basically hit subscription, and you can subscribe, and I'll be sending emails through the subscription sometimes. So if you want to get connected to me, many ways to connect to me. So subscribe. Follow me on Twitter. And get yourself into power group trades by studying this video. I'm going to have an intro video. You're going to see a picture of me. Simply click on it. Let's see.
Power target trades. Power trigger trade.